Great job. Good job, boys. Only I know the secret code, and I can take my gold bars to decorate the pasta with gold. Let me do it just quickly. Can you just imagine how rich and expensive my dish is going to be? Well, let me grade this gold. Oh, yeah. Perfection. Whoa, cool. Oh, what should I grade above this spaghetti? Oh, yeah, right. I think this leaf will look great. Let me take it quickly. Okay. Just like that. Cool. How do you like it? Well done. And I forgot to add the diamond. Bon appetit, chef.